I'm about to get bit over this little something. Oh, Boochie! Is that a window right there? Or is that the garage? So he can't be on Delta. How about this window right here? Is this Ant! Ant! Let's go!
Ow! Hold on, you're coming!
Ant, open the back door. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hello?
Hi.
Hi. Is he awake? Okay, so we'll meet him at the front door. We're not going to just barge in, hon. Tell him we're coming for him at the front door. Thank you. All right.
Get that thing out of my face.
That's what she said. Ow! Ow! No.
Alright, all units, they're gonna start shooting now.